photographer automation, which you can sell to photographers for $100 to $200 a month, and it will help with all these things. The first thing that we can automate is the inquiry process, where we can build a form, and a form can be inserted on a website. You can go to it from, say, your social media profile. Once the form is filled up, you'll automatically create a task in the system, and it will notify you that you have a pending task. The next thing that we can automate is the consultation and booking process, where we can send your client a booking list. That way they can book an available slot on your calendar, and it will save both parties time because there'll be less back and forth. If they're interested, we can create a proposal using the template that we have built. Then we can send them automated reminders where they can sign. Once they sign the proposal, we can automatically generate invoice based on the proposal, where they can easily pay using a credit card. Once the invoice has been paid, the system will automatically send them a templated questionnaire, and all the details that they filled up will be loaded into our CRM. The last thing that we can automate is the post-delivery experience, where we can automatically ask them for a Google review, because more reviews equals more visibility and more trust. We also can create a referral program where we can get clients to recommend more clients, and in return we can give them a fixed commission. So if you're a photographer or if you want to build this for your client, type photography down below and I'll send this to you for free.